Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will learn the 7th chapter of Geography, Standard 9, International Dateline. In this chapter, we will going to learn about international dateline and time calculation. First of all, we will see the latitude and longitude. What is latitude and what is longitude? Latitude are horizontal, their lines are always parallel. Their total quantity is 181. You see in this picture, it is written. See, this is latitude. So their lines are always horizontal and their total quantity is 181. And the longitudes are supposed to connect north and south pole at the same time. The only and the longitude's total quantity is 360. Sometimes they are 0 in the prime meridian and sometimes they are 180. So this is all about latitude and longitude. Now let's start with the chapter. See, the international dateline are meridian. See, what is exactly the meaning of international dateline is the Indian International Meridian Conference was conference held in October 1984 in Washington, D.C., United States to determine a prime meridian for international use. See, international dateline is drawn because to do the trading between many countries. If the USA is trading with India, the Indian people should know the timing of USA. If you are buying something, if you are selling something, you should know the what is the time right now in USA. If you'll see the morning timing, if we are can we see in the watch, this is like 10 o'clock in a.m. In America it will be 10 p.m. It's like I'm just giving you an example. So this we have to see into the and take into the considerations that international dateline is very important when you are doing trade or you are doing banking or you are dealing with other countries. The subject discussed we choose of American to be employed as a common zero of longitude and standard of timely knocking throughout the world. Now it's all depend on how you are trading and to whom which country you are trading. So this all will depend. Now international dateline. See this. See, we bid adieu to year 2016 and welcome the new year 2017 on Saturday midnight. Similarly, other countries also welcome the new year. A table showing the days and time of the welcome of new year in different countries and cities according to the Indian standard time is given. Observe the table and answer the following question. In your textbook, one table is given. In that you have to see when we are celebrating 31st of December every year. If you will say if you will take 2016, we are celebrating 31st December 2016 and next day we are going to enter in 2017. So we will going to welcome 2017 at 12 a.m. Yes, exactly 12 a.m. we are welcoming the 2017. Likewise, if you'll see the table, there is always a different time is written. In Dubai there is different time, they are like 2.5 hour uh, earlier from us, so they will going to no sorry they are very they are not earlier with Indian people. So what will happen if you are celebrating 12 o'clock the new year, they will in their UAE the timing will be 9:30 or maybe 9. So there is like 2.5 hour differences. Complete the following table to understand the time at the different meridians when it is 12 noon at the prime meridian. Different meridians have a different timing at the same time. For example, if it is 12 noon at the prime meridian, then it is 8 a.m. at 60 degree west and 16 hours at 60 degree east. Sunil and Minal have to note this timing, take the help of the figure alongside. After that, discuss in the class and answer the question. Fill the boxes in figure 7.1. Sunil and Minal embark on their journey to circumvent the earth from 0 meridian at 12 noon on Thursday. During this journey, they cross each other at 180-degree meridian and move forward. When Sunil returns back to 0-degree meridian after his journey, he thought it was Friday. When Minal returned at 0-degree meridian, he thought it was Wednesday. So how this has happened? Now see the very important point. When international dateline was drawn, because every country should know the proper timing of different country and they can run their trade and trading smoothly among each other. When we travel from east to west, the timing will increase, and when we are traveling from west to east, the timing will be decreased. So they have started both, Sunil and Minal have started their journey from 0-degree meridian, but one is traveling from east and other one is traveling from west. That's why they are facing different dates and different days. So how this has happened? Because one is traveling from east and other one is traveling from west, and when they reach into 180-degree meridian, the timing and the dates are different. So you have to guess this. See, when he was in 0 degree east or 0-degree meridian, what happened? They started from Thursday, but they both are going their own journey. One is traveling from east and other one is traveling from west. See this diagram very well, it is written. Thursday midnight, Minal took the sides of west and Sunil take the sides of east, and they both were traveling and come into the 80-degree meridian when they thought that it was Friday and Minal thought it was Thursday. So how this has happened? Because one is traveling from east and other one is traveling from west. You observe this, you can write your own thing. When you take from east side, the timing will increase. If you'll take the west side, the timing will increase. If you'll take the east side, the timing will decrease. We'll see till here. Next we will continue in next lecture. Thank you.